Hello everyone. My name is Luis Riesgo Narciso. I am 17 years old. I am from Peru and, and I am Peruvian. I live in Pachacute, Ventanilla. Today is my fifth day at this new home and, and I am very happy and excited to meet you all. Now I want to tell you about my preference. My favorite food is mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes and I really like eating thing with my family. I don't like eating food that is too spicy. When I comes to music, I love trap and reggaeton. I really like listening to Pablo Londra because I enjoy his music. I don't hate any type of music, but I don't like listening to very slow music. I'm a friend team. I love playing sport. I like playing basketball and volleyball, and I enjoy spending time which my friends will playing sport. I don't like staying at home all day because I prefer being active. That's I like about me. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope we can hit along very well. It is a pleasure to meet you all. Thank you.